and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see who unsubscribed you on YouTube. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive deep into this video. So it is almost not possible to see who has particularly unsubscribed you, as you can see the number of unsubscribers on YouTube Studio Analytics by checking subscriber lost. But YouTube does not reveal the identities of individuals who unsubscribed you to protect the user privacy. This only shows those with public subscriptions in the general recent subscribers list. So find lost subscribers by going through the YouTube Studio and tapping on Analytics. Once you're in Analytics, you can go on your audience section. Once you're in audience, you need to go and tap on more metrics. After tapping on more metrics, you can simply select subscriber lost or see public recent subscribers by going to YouTube Studio. After this, you can filter for specific time frames, and this way you can simply see who has unsubscribed you on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.